Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are doing well and good, inshallah. So, today we are here with another video of house, places in our house. This is our last video, inshallah, about the home, about the house. Means in this video, we are going to discuss the last parts of the house, the remaining parts of the house. The number one, which is we are going to discuss today, is al-hammam. Al-hammam means washroom. Al-hammam, washroom. I hope you all remember that I told you to repeat the words with me. Okay, so dear students, repeat these words with me so it will be easier for you to learn the vocabulary, inshallah. Al-hammam, washroom. Al-hammam, washroom. Mirhaz, toilet. Mirhaz, toilet. What do we say, toilet? Mirhaz. Mighsal, sink. Mighsal, sink. Sink or wash basin. Mighsal. Minshafa, towel. Minshafa, towel. Minshafa, towel. Dalvun, bucket. Dalvun, bucket. Dush, shower. Dush, shower. Ma'junul asnan, toothpaste. It's a bit difficult, but if you repeat with me, it will be easier. Ma'junul asnan. Ma'jun al asnan. Ma'junul asnan, toothpaste. Furshatul asnan. Asnan means teeth. Furshatul asnan, toothbrush. Furshatul asnan. So these are the items we found in the washroom. Next is al-hadiqa. Next is al-hadiqa. What is the meaning of hadiqa? Garden. Yes, it's garden. Hadiqa. Flowers. What do we say? Flowers in Arabic. Al-azhar. Al-azhar. Flowers. Al-azhar. Flowers. Ashjar. Trees. Ashjar. Trees. Ushb. Ushb means grass. Ushb. Ushb means grass. Jazakumullahu khairan. These are the things present in our washroom and our garden. So I hope you enjoyed all the videos and you will try to learn all the vocabulary I have discussed in these videos. Inshallah, we will meet again in our next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.